Okay, now let's look at number 9. I'm going to rewrite this one as 3x to the negative 2 dx. Again, that's just an algebra step. I'm going to take the antiderivative, I'm going to add 1 to the power, I'm going to divide by the new power, add c, so that'll be negative 3 over x plus c. Alright, number 10, I have to do some algebra first. I need to expand 2x minus 3 squared, which is 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3, which is 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. So that'll be 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. Some of you should be able to do that in your head. And I'm going to take the antiderivative, so I get 4x cubed over 3 minus 12x squared over 2 plus 9x plus c, which I'll simplify or rewrite as 4/3 x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x plus c. And that's the antiderivative. Okay, number 11. I'm going to have to distribute that, but I'm going to rewrite it first. 1/2 x to the 1/2 times 1 plus x squared dx. So I'm going to distribute that, and again, I haven't done any calculus yet. So I get x to the 1/2 plus x to the 5/2 dx. Now I'm going to take the antiderivative, so I get x to the 3/2 divided by 3/2 plus x to the 7/2 divided by 7/2 plus c, which is 2/3 x to the 3/2 plus 2/7 x to the 7/2 plus c. Okay, last one. We have to split this up into 2 fractions and then simplify, I think. Okay, then I simplify, but because when I divide, I subtract the exponent, so we get x to the first minus 2x to the negative 2 dx. I'm going to take the antiderivative, so I get x squared divided by 2, so remember that's a 1, minus 2x to the minus 1 divided by negative 1 plus c. I'm going to write that as 1/2 x squared plus 2 over x plus c. And that's how you take algebraic antiderivatives. There is no product rule or quotient rule. Hooray! And there is sort of an analog to the chain rule, but we'll be covering that in a bit after you guys have these more basic methods down.